Everyone uses AI today. We use it to write code, pass exams, and debug our projects. And when we interact with it, it almost feels like the machine is thinking. But here's the harsh reality. ChatGPT is not reasoning. It does not consult a logical database, and more importantly, it has absolutely zero understanding of the words it is generating. Yet, it writes complex Python algorithms and passes engineering benchmarks. How? And why does it suddenly invent fake facts, presenting them with absolute confidence? Today, we are opening the black box of large language models. I will show you the exact math behind the illusion of intelligence and why AI hallucination is not a bug. It is a feature. To understand the flaw, we need to understand the architecture. The first myth we need to bust is that neural networks read text. They do not. They process vectors. When you type a prompt, your input is immediately shattered into fragments called tokens. A token can be a word, a syllable, or even a single letter. But numbers alone mean nothing. The real magic happens during a process called embedding. The neural network projects each token into a high-dimensional mathematical space. Imagine a coordinate system with thousands of dimensions. In this space, words with similar meanings are physically pulled closer together. It is not comprehension, it is pure geometry. So if it does not understand context, what is it actually doing? At its core, a large language model is an extremely sophisticated prediction engine. It is a probabilistic calculator. Given a sequence of tokens, its only mathematical objective is to calculate the probability distribution of the very next token. That is it. It is an overpowered autocomplete. When you ask a question, the data flows through the layers. The weights are multiplied, and the final output layer spits out a list of probabilities. It picks the most mathematically likely next word, adds it to your prompt, and starts the entire massive calculation all over again for the next word. This is called autoregressive generation. And this brings us to hallucinations. When an AI confidently gives you a fake Python library, it is not broken. It is doing exactly what we engineered it to do. The model does not have a true or false filter. It only looks at the statistical patterns it learned during training. It will lie to your face because, mathematically, the lie was the most probable string of text to generate. As long as the architecture is based on next token prediction, hallucinations will remain an inherent feature of the system. But how does the model remember what you typed 10 paragraphs ago? That is where the genius of the self-attention mechanism comes in. In the next video, we will write a simplified neural network in Python from scratch. Subscribe so you do not miss it.